Hey collectors, here is a look at C3PO, the damaged version from the Black Series 2-pack with Chewbacca, and this is my favorite figure or version of this droid from Star Wars. The figure comes with a net where you can place him like what Chewbacca did in the film The Empire Strikes Back, plus this broken parts of his arms and upper thighs can be replaced with the complete limbs that are also included. And these limbs are also articulated like all other figures in the Black Series line. Here are the damaged parts that you have to remove in order for you to place the complete leg and arm of C3PO. You don't have to use a lot of force to pull them off. They're a little bit softer than the whole plastic of the toy. And here is a complete version of C3PO. He is around 6 inches tall and is also posable like all other figures in the Black Series line, although the elbow joints have limited articulation, but this time he has those swivel biceps. Here is a back view of the figure. There are a lot of details, especially on the mid part of his body where all those exposed circuits and wires can be seen. As I mentioned earlier, C3PO comes with a Chewbacca figure. But I sold that version and this is the 40th anniversary version of Chewbacca. I find it much better than the one that came with C3PO because it has more paint details on his face. Plus, he comes with his crossbow, which the version that C3PO comes with has a blaster from a stormtrooper. If you are a collector of Star Wars, I suggest getting this version because of its special feature of being converted into a damaged droid. And for size comparison, here he is with Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit and Megatron from the Transformers YOLO Park mini-series. With Batman from the Dark Knight trilogy film by Modoking Model Kit and Steve Rogers Worthy Captain America from Marvel Legends MCU by Hasbro. With Daimos from the same titled anime series by Bandai Model Kit SMP line and Bash the Stampede from the Trigun anime series by Jazzwares. With He-Man from the Masters of the Universe line Filmation version by Super 7 and The Grey Ghost from Batman the Animated Series. Collect and Build a Figure Wave by McFarlane Toys. And finally with Chewbacca and R2-D2 from the 40th Anniversary Empire Strikes Back line from Star Wars Black Series by Hasbro. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.